Are you being serious, D? That's crazy. So what happened after that? Yeah, so I'm walking out the clinic and I ended up. Excuse me. So I ended up getting her number and everything, which kind of shocked me because she was standing right next to me when the nurse told me I caught that. You know what I'm saying. So I was like, do you want this shit too? You know what I'm saying? Like, why you give me your number? You know what I'm saying? I was rolling. What's wrong with you? If you sneeze on me again, I'm gonna head out. That would be best. That would be best.